This is one of our favorite times of year.
And on behalf of my favorite Americans, Michelle, Malia, Sasha, and Bo, Merry Christmas, everybody. Thanksgiving's my favorite holiday because more than any other, it is uniquely American. Merry Christmas, everybody. This is one of our favorite times of year in the Obama household, filled with family and friends, warmth and good cheer. Over the past 7.5 years, it's become one of my favorite traditions.
Reminded of my favorite Chinese aphorism.
A steady stream of visitors leaves reminders of life. Photos, teddy bears, favorite magazines, friends. One of my favorite people, former colleague of mine, still just a fighter on behalf of working families each and every day, Senator Debbie Stabenow. Not here, but a couple of my favorite people, Congresswoman Marcia Fudge and Sherrod Brown. Couldn't be here today. Two of my favorite people, they are just taking Congress by storm. Outstanding work. Paul Hodes, Carol Shea Porter, give them a big round of applause. One of my favorite sermons that I heard Dr. Lowry once deliver, he said, there's good crazy and there's bad crazy. And sometimes you need a little bit of that good crazy to make the world a better place. One of my favorite people in Washington, probably because he hasn't gone Washington, still gets the same haircut.
My favorite part of the arrival ceremony is the musical troupe in review by the Old Guard, which is part of the ceremony when it occurs outside. And I'd like to just share a little information about the Old Guard.
Two of my favorite senators. Let me also acknowledge the director of my faith-based office, Joshua Du Bois, who is here. Where's Joshua? He's out there somewhere. He's doing great work. Continues to define the character of this country we love. And this is my favorite memory, Iowa. That creed that says, yes, we can.
So Hannah's gonna pick her favorite, Shawnee will pick his, Heath will pick his favorite, and I'll do mine, okay?
All right.
You guys ready?
One of my favorite people who I believe is going to be doing outstanding things has already done great work as Secretary of State, and I think is going to be an outstanding, eventually United States Senator as well, Robin.
A couple of guys talking, come on. That was my favorite story.